Welcome to our tutorial on managing and editing supports in the portal by New Visions. In this video, we will walk through how users can view progress for students assigned to a support, update support details, or remove a support that is no longer being offered at your school. Please see our video on creating supports before watching this video. Monitoring students assigned to a support is important to ensure that services they are receiving are effective and aligned with their needs. Additionally, it provides valuable feedback to teachers and parents, fostering a collaborative effort to help students achieve their learning goals. A support in the portal is an ongoing activity or service being provided that is aimed at improving student performance. This can include tutoring, workshops, small groups, or extracurriculars. Once you have identified the students you want to assign to a support, you can easily monitor progress for that group of students. Additionally, you may view all supports that your school offers, the person in charge of those supports, and when the supports are offered. How to take attendance for support sessions. To monitor attendance of students participating in your supports, you can click Support using the left side navigation. Here, you'll see all of your in-progress, upcoming, and past supports. If you click on your support, you'll see the names of your students, their school year-to-date attendance, support attendance, how many sessions they have missed, and when they started that support and when they will end that support. On the right side, you'll see a snapshot of all the information you filled out when you created the support. To take attendance, select the support for which you need to take attendance. You will be directed to the student list for that selected support. At the bottom right corner, on the right-hand side, we'll select Take Attendance. The support logs, which display the scheduled dates for your support session, will appear. To take attendance for a specific date, click the three dots next to that date. You will have the following options. Mark all students present. This will indicate that all students attended the session on that date. Session was not held. This option is used when the session was canceled for that date. Take attendance. This allows you to record attendance for each student individually. Click Take Attendance. Next to each student's name, there will be an attendance drop-down menu. Click the drop-down to select the following options: present, late, absent, or excused. Please note, an option must be selected for every student in order to mark the attendance log as complete. To do this in bulk action, you can select the box next to the column header, select Edit Attendance, and mark Present. This will update all students. To remove a student from a support, click the student's name and you'll be taken to the student profile. Click Support from the left-hand side navigation, and in the support panel, click the three dots next to the support name. You can remove the student from that support by deleting Support Record and then select Delete. To edit overall support details from the homepage, you will click Settings on the bottom left-hand side navigation. Click the three dots next to your support and select Edit Support. This way you can edit the support details. Effective management of your support in the portal can contribute to making sure all students are being given additional attention in areas they may need help in. For example, assigning students to a Regents Prep support to better prepare them for their upcoming exam. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on managing and editing supports in the portal by New Visions.